Hey, did you know some go-getters are already making more than $100 a day with AI? Picture turning your spare time into a profitable side gig. Today, we're diving into the AI art scene and how it can make you money. The AI wave has hit. What's in the spotlight today? Fiverr. As you probably know, Fiverr is the go-to place for digital gigs. It's where freelancers go to cash in on their talents. Staying ahead, Fiverr recently rolled out a new section just for AI gigs. Now, creatives can offer AI-inspired work. More and more smart freelancers are using this to boost their income. Head over to fiverr.com and check out the AI Services tab. You'll find 6 exciting new areas, from building AI apps to getting your data sorted. But wait, today we're zeroing in on AI artists, especially the wonders of Midjourney. It might be a bit pricey, but think of it as an investment that pays off big time. Look at this first gig, for example. They have different price points. $30 for basic, $70 for standard, and $150 for the deluxe package. And it usually takes just about an hour to whip up something cool. Checking out another gig, this freelancer creates professional AI book covers. Prices start at $20 for a simple cover and go up to $40 for something fancier. The possibilities are endless. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine you're making $10,000 every month, not just in your dreams, but for real. In this channel, I talk about different ways to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month quickly and without spending much, then you need my 7 steps to 6-figure blueprint. I've put all my years of experience into a simple, step-by-step guide. This guide is your key to reaching that $10,000 goal. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. So, how do you climb to the top? Start with a killer Fiverr gig description. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Just type something like create a Fiverr gig description for AI images and watch it craft a catchy, SEO-friendly description. Looking at other successful gigs can also give you some good ideas. Now, how do you make these amazing images with Midjourney? Start with a Discord account, easy and free. Then jump into Midjourney. Their monthly plan is only $10. Go back to Discord, find the Midjourney bot, give it some prompts, and watch your artwork come to life. Here's an example. Prompt: design a book cover for a romantic comedy called Mismatched in Manhattan. Choose your aspect ratio, like 9:16 for a book cover, and hit enter. And there you go. Your image starts forming. After a bit of AI magic, you've got your result. Check out these images. The 4th one might be just what we were looking for. Amazing, right? You can explore even more options with the variation buttons to perfect your image. Remember, AI isn't perfect. Play with your prompts, be more specific, and experiment. The clearer you are, the closer you'll get to your dream image. Pro tip: with DALL 3, you can design stunning book covers and even get the text spelling right, something Midjourney can't do. If you liked this, smash that like button. It really motivates me to create more content. Don't forget to subscribe for tons of tips and hit the bell so you don't miss out.